In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download ClickUp on your PC step by step. If you're looking to install ClickUp on Windows so you can manage projects, tasks, and teams more efficiently from your desktop, you're in the right place. This guide is perfect for beginners and works in 2026 with the latest version of ClickUp. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your PC, such as Google Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type Download ClickUp and press Enter. This will bring up a Google search results page with multiple options. From the search results, look for the official ClickUp download page. You should see a result that says something like Download ClickUp mobile and desktop app. Make sure you're clicking the official ClickUp website to stay safe and avoid fake downloads. Once you click that result, you'll be taken to the ClickUp download page. Here, ClickUp offers apps for different platforms. Since we're installing it on a PC, look for the option that says Download for Windows. This is the desktop app designed specifically for Windows users. Go ahead and click on Download for Windows. This may redirect you to the Microsoft Store, which is completely normal. ClickUp uses the Microsoft Store to provide a secure and easy installation process. In the Microsoft Store page, look for the Install or Get button. Click on it, and Windows will begin downloading the ClickUp app automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, the app will install on its own. After installation finishes, click Open to launch ClickUp on your PC. You can also find it later by searching for ClickUp in your Windows Start menu. When ClickUp opens for the first time, you'll be prompted to log in. Enter your ClickUp account email and password, or sign in with Google if that's how your account is set up. After logging in, your workspaces, tasks, and projects will sync automatically. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed ClickUp on your PC. You can now enjoy faster performance, desktop notifications, and a more focused workflow compared to using ClickUp in a browser. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.